Today I am going to explain you what is absolute reference in Excel. In Excel there are two types of references. One is absolute reference, other one is relative reference. In relative reference, what is happening when we are copying the cell down or to another location, respectively the references are changing. In absolute reference, the references are keep constant. Right, this is an example. Right, in this table you can see sales rep names A, B, C, D, E, and their sales. The commission rate is 12%. Here in the commission column I am going to get what is the commission for this particular sales rep. Right, in normal Excel formula that is very easy. We can start equal, I am referring sales column, that is F8, and multiply by this column, that is F4. If I press enter, simply that get the 60 as the commission. Answer is correct. And now I am going to copy down this to other cells to get the value, but nothing happened. The answer is wrong. What happened? 0, 0. There is error in this particular cell, and this is unbelievable commission amount, that is more than the sales value. Something wrong somewhere. You know what happened? Now this is when we are copying down, that is relative reference. Relative reference means that is change in the reference in cells. Cell addresses are changing respectively. As an example thing, I am going to double click on this. It shows what are the cells. Now this blue color is F8 and 12%, that in F4 cell. Now F8 into F4, that is correct. Right, now I am going to audit the second column. What happened? That is moved to the F8 became F9 and F4 became F5. Same way, double click all, one by one those moved down. See what was happened. Right. Then how can we solve this? Now in this type of case we can use absolute reference. Absolute referencing. Right. Now I am selecting this particular cell. First of all, we will delete all these results. Now I am going to do the same, but I am changing the cell reference. Selecting this into this, but I am making this absolute. To make this absolute reference, you can add dollar before the cell the letter, and after the letter before number, row number, you can add dollar. Now this is absolute reference. Absolute reference. Now press enter. You can move this down. Now that is correct. You can double click and you can audit. That is okay. Right. But this is F9 is changing. Here this is F8 and F4. In the next cell there is F9 and F4. Why that this became F9? This became F9. This is not absolute reference. This is relative reference. Relative reference is required in this particular scenario, right? But absolute reference, its commission rate supposed to be absolute reference. Same cell reference we have to use for each and every formula, right? Okay, you have to add dollar marks in this cell address. Right, let me show you another easier way to make this references convert relative reference into absolute reference. There's a shortcut key. I'm going to delete this and I'm going to show that shortcut also. Normally I am doing the reference. I'm typing the formula with normal relative reference, and I'm selecting this particular cell address F4 in the formula bar, and I'm going to press function 4 key here. See, when I press function 4, that is converted into absolute reference. Again I am pressing F4. Now only the column row number became absolute. If I am going to press again F4, the column letter became absolute. I am going to press again, that became relative reference. There is no dollar marks in the cell address. Again I am pressing, right? F1 key you can use to make this absolute reference. Now this we can copy down this, and we can get the exact value, right? That is all. This is absolute reference, right? Okay, now I think you got certain knowledge in absolute referencing. Be with us.